Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I am here to share with you a new interactive mini album. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have here a new Disney book. I have so many Disney memories and pictures, and I was super inspired to create a new Disney book to add all of our recent pictures. And so this is a book that I created for my YouTube channel members. This was the bonus tutorial for the month of February. So today I just want to give you a final walkthrough. So if you would like to see bonus tutorials, you can always join my channel, and I always offer extra tutorials for members. I also do a technique class and also a live class once a month as well. But if you would like to get just the tutorial for this book, I do have a cutting guide and access to the video as a standalone video class. This book measures 8.5 by 6.5, and it has a 3.5-inch spine for signature pages. And I am using this collection here. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby a little bit ago. I don't know if they still might have it, but it's called Mickey Mouse and Friends, and so I have used almost the entire pack. So here on the cover I just used one of the pages from the collection, and I glossy accented Mickey's ears, eyes, nose, everything, just to add a little bit more dimension to the paper. But I love how simple but fun this looks. This is another piece from the collection that I just fuzzy cut and glued that here. I also glossy accented the little Mickeys, and then this is from the actual cover. And then over here I'm just gonna put 2026 so we can put our memories for this year. And let's go ahead and take a look. I love that this collection had Mickey pages and Minnie pages. It's just so cute. So this inside cover opens up like this and like that. Place for journal. I love that page here. And then here at the center we have an accordion fold page, and this closes and closes. Excuse me if I'm losing my voice. Over here this opens up, and we have a pocket with another one of these images. The collection doesn't have any cut aparts or anything like that, but I did just kind of created some layouts using some of the designs here. This opens up here again, and then this opens and opens, and then these two also open to the side. And on the next page this opens up like this, and then over here we open that up. Love again the colors. And then this opens down as well. Close all of that. Over here we have a Mickey writing "Everybody loves me," because everybody loves Mickey Mouse. And then over here we have a pocket with a belly band, so it's kind of like a double pocket, so you can put things here or things here on the back as well. And then this also opens. Okay, here we go. It opens up like this. So we have this kind of like a secret page back there. Then we have the mini page, and this opens like this, and it opens to the side. And then this also opens up and down, so we have a large area here for a picture. And then this whole thing closes, and then they magnetize. And then we have Minnie, of course. She's so cute. This opens and opens. And then down here this opens down, this opens up, and then this also opens to the side like that. And I think, yes, I hope I'm not forgetting anything, but here we go. Over here we have a gatefold page, so this just simply opens up like that. And over here this opens up, and then this opens down. And then on the center here we have a sliding page, so place for a picture. You can put a picture there as well. And then down here these two pieces open to each side. So I wanted to incorporate a lot of room for pictures and make me very fun movable pieces. Here we have another mini page. So this opens up and then this opens onto the side. I love the colors here. And then this opens to the side again, and then this is a large pocket right there. And then on the back cover we have this cute little silly mini, and then this opens up and down, and then this opens side to side. So the layouts are fairly easy, super fun. Even if this will be your first time making a mini album, I am using my easy hinge system, so again, really fun to put together. Actually, it was kind of quick, and I love how this came out, and I love this collection. I think it's so cute, and I can't wait to add pictures to this book. But before that, I do have a special video coming up adding even more elements to this book. Again, this book is going to be listed as a video class by itself, but also I do have it as one of the bonus tutorials for a member. So yeah, you can check that out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I want to thank all my members for all your support, and also if you do join the membership, you also have a large gallery of projects there that you can create and look through as well. So I want to thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.